question I got asked is, how can I search for email messages in Gmail and find all the messages that are A, either starred, or B, find all the ones that are not starred? Let me show you how to do that in this video. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to star all the messages that came from Teddy Burris right there. Boom, 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 boom. Now, if I want to look for all the messages that are starred, just go over here. There they are right there. Really easy. Just starred. And look at the filter that it uses. Is starred. That's the filter that it uses to get those. Now, watch this. I'm gonna go back and look at inbox. And I'm going to come down here. I'm going to unstar that one right there. So 3 of them have a star. This one here does not. Now, if I go look at starred, you'll see that the filter is starred. Now, what happens if I reverse this? I want to reverse it, and I want to find all the messages that are about this, for example, have the word example in it, but is not starred from Teddy Burris. So I have to do this. Let me see who that's from. So I have to do this. I have to do from Teddy Burris, not is starred, and the word example. Let's put this here. Let's move this in front of the not. Sometimes the not statements are trouble. Now I'm going to look for from Teddy Burris and example, but not is starred. So I should get one message, and I do. One message is from Teddy Burris. It has the word example in it and is not starred. So again, it's really pretty cool. It's a really cool feature. Again, if you star a message, you have starred right there. If you want to look for the reverse, then what you need to do is you got to put not is starred. But if you want to fine tune it a little bit more, you need to add other features. Put the word example is one idea. And there's example that are not starred. And there's the message from Teddy Burris that has the word example, but is not starred. This is a really cool article about using operators, and it shows you some of the examples that you have, maybe all the examples that were put together in this document. The one thing you do need to remember is anytime you use an operator in here, you got to have uppercase or, uppercase not, and the other one is uppercase and. Those are the 3 operators that you can use with these other functions as well. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.